Hey guys, R4GE VipeRzZ here, and today I'm going to show you how you can select a specific colour within an image in Adobe Photoshop CC. So if I just open Photoshop up, I just have this basic image here that I'm going to be using for demonstration purposes. So the first thing you want to do is you want to select the layer that your image is on, and then you want to select the magic wand tool. Now with the magic wand as it is at the minute, if I just select one of the colours, so if I just select this green circle here, it will only select that single green circle, rather than all of the green circles in the image. Now that is because the contiguous option is selected, so that will only select things that match the selection that are all joined together. So what we're going to do is we're going to unselect the contiguous option, and then if we want to select everything that is just that specific colour, then we can change the tolerance value. So the lower the tolerance value, the less different the colour can be, and if you set it to 0, then it should have to be that exact colour. So if I set it to 0, and then I click on one of the green circles again, it will then select all of the green circles in the image, as the contiguous option is unselected, and the tolerance is set to 0. That means that it will select all of the parts of the image that are this exact green colour, which all of these circles are. Now again, I can do it with the orange one, or the red one. Now as you can see, when I select the orange one, this other orange circle here is a different shade of orange. And as the tolerance is at 0, then it will not select it. Now if you want to increase your tolerance, so for example if I change it from 0 to 64, that means it will now select more shades of the colour within the selection. So again, if I just select the green, again it will just select the green circles as there is too much of a difference between all the other colours. However, if I now select the orange circle, it will now select all of the orange circles as this shade of orange is not too different from this shade of orange, and is within the tolerance value that we have now specified. So guys, that's as simple as it gets. If you liked the video, don't forget the like button. If you dislike it, hit the dislike button. Subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you another time. Bye.